Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving the definite integral from 0 to pi of 1 plus sine of x dx. So let's understand that the integral from a to b of the function of x dx is equivalent to the original function evaluated on b minus the original function evaluated on a. Okay, so let's integrate this. So this will be the integral of 1 is x, and the integral of sine of x will be negative cosine of x. Okay, we'll go from 0 to pi. Okay, according to our definition, this will be the function evaluated on pi minus the function evaluated on 0. Okay, so if we evaluate on pi, this will be pi minus the cosine of pi minus 0 minus the cosine of 0. Okay, this is pi minus, we know that the cosine of pi is negative 1 minus, we'll have 0 minus the cosine of 0, that is 1, so we'll have negative 1. We'll have pi plus 1, and this will be negative times negative is positive. That'll be plus 1, so the answer should be pi plus 2. And that should be our answer here. All right, thank you for watching. Remember, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and send the questions that you have. Thank you for watching.